This is my ASAS 12th 2024 market daily buys for New York session. I am bullish because the 4 buys is bullish, 4 is bullish as well. As I said, I'm mainly gonna focus on getting high quality setups, not low quality setups. So today's high quality setup look like to be a high quality setup. We have a trend line to the downside. You can see market is trend lining down, and yeah, this one no longer a trend line because market broke it. Eventually respected the other trend line. We see the market doing a trend line, respected it one time, I think 2 times. And yeah, eventually making a move down. So what am I looking for today to getting in? Like we got an alley for VAG. It's right by alley for VAG gap. If the alley for VAG gets touched before market open, usually when it gets touched before the market open, or usually that confluence is not a valuable confluence. But guess what? Today, what is the 30-minute time frame doing? 30-minute time frame is trending, right? You can see to the upside. And plus, if this gets touched, all we're looking to get in is from this 30-minute for VAG. This for VAG can get us into the upside. Why can it get us in? Because market is trending. This is going with the alley bias. It's going with the 4-hour bias. It's going with the daily journal. It's going with the 4-hour journal liquidity, 4-hour bias. It's going with the 1-hour journal liquidity and 1-hour bias. So this right here, intentionally, is my move. So once the market gets here, I'm looking for an entry. If the fair value gets touched first, right? If not, then I'm just going to be looking over here. But other than that, we have no other 30-minute confluence, so this is the only one I'm relying on to get in. If this gets respected, I'm not looking to get in. I'm looking to get in somewhere here, or over here. So yeah, that's all I'm aiming for. This is the alley for VAG gap, 4-hour order block. The market should not be doing a huge move down here. This right here should be enough for the market to go back up higher. But yeah, this alley order block, I don't care. These order blocks, I don't care. They go against the 4-hour liquidity, so they should intentionally get disrespected and move up higher to this trend line. My take profit is going to be here. It's not going to be on the 4-hour high because that's the NFP. Tomorrow should be there tomorrow because what did NFP come out as? I'm saying it right now. NFP came out as bullish, right? So tomorrow, PPI and CPI should both come out as bullish, and we're gonna backtest as well. We're gonna backtest it, and we're gonna prove that it's actually right, it's not wrong. We're gonna prove that after NFP, CPI, no, not CPI, PPI and CPI follows, right? Because this is how it's going to this week. CPI and PPI are both coming right by each other, and yeah, today I'm really gonna focus on high quality setup. Tomorrow I'm gonna put a high quality setup. You know, get the right mindset in. But all I'm looking for is 30-minute for VAG to get touched, or if the alley the time frame does not get touched, this alley could be enough for us to get it in. I mean, this would probably get touched as well with it. But other than that, that's that. Yeah. But what I'm thinking, Nu should be doing, Nu should definitely be going over here because that's the high of NFP, right? That right there is the high of NFP. So I tend to see the market go back up here. But if the journal liquidity in the 4-hour time for tomorrow is bullish, that I'm gonna risk 1%. But if I do get a setup, I'm gonna risk it, right? If I do get a setup, I'm taking it. I'm not gonna be trading another session. But this right here is my main goal for tomorrow because the market usually tends to go for the NFP's high or low when other news such as PPI and CPI come out because they usually follow NFP. NFP came out bullish, you mentioned the market came back down. This should definitely see how the market going right by it. Said to go by. So it's NFP or PPI or CPI should definitely crush this market right here. What I'm seeing is PPI is not as strong as CPI, but market should definitely tend to go over here, eventually boom and go up higher, make a new high, eventually, you know, start relaxing back down. But all I'm thinking is Nu should definitely become bullish. Both of them should be bullish, but I'm gonna pair them up with my normal strategy. So I'm gonna pair them up with my normal strategy, my drawn liquidity and my 4-hour time frame. So if my 4-hour time frame drawn liquidity is telling me to come out bullish, I'm gonna be bullish because my 4-hour liquidity is telling me. But if the new strategy to me is gonna come out bearish, I'm gonna go with the bullish side because that's what my telling me to go, right? But if the new strategy goes with the drawn liquidity, so let's just say tomorrow at like 8 a.m. it's telling me that my drone liquidity is bearish, but the new strategy is bullish. I'm gonna go with my normal strategy, but I'm gonna de-risk to like 0.50%. But once if they're both telling me they're going bullish, the new strategy right now is telling me to go bullish because what is going bullish because NFP came out bullish, so this and CPI and PPI should definitely follow. So that's what I'm thinking about, and yeah, that is my market daily buys for today. And tomorrow we should be cooking hopefully if we do get in a trade.